today we're gonna make whipped hot chocolate. You'll need heavy whipping cream. You'll need some powdered sugar,
not flour,
and hot chocolate
mix.
And so you'll need 1/2 of a cup, and you'll need to pour 1/2 of a cup of each one in.
Oh, I messed up. Don't do the milk first. Do the powders first because they come out and the milk just stays there. So we made a mistake. Do not pour the milk or the heavy whipping cream first because it makes the spoon really sticky. You want to do the powdered sugar or the hot chocolate cocoa powder mix first. And second, you want to do the heavy whipping cream last. Okay. Ooh, that looks so good already. I just want to go in there and eat it all. Next, we're gonna whip it. So you need stiff peaks. So right now, those are not really stiff peaks. You need it to be a little bit more stiff than that. Looks like it's about to be some stiff peaks.
Oh yeah, that's stiff. I feel it. Next, we're gonna warm it up. For 2 minutes.
You need to get all the whipped stuff that you need to put on your hot chocolate, and you can either just throw it on with a spoon, or if you want to do it fancy. There's a saying by a really famous man. It's, if you're gonna do something really awesome, make it beautiful. This stuff looks so good. I just want to get a spoonful of it and just shove it in my mouth.
Now this looks good.
Ready? Will it float on top or will it sink? We'll figure that out soon. Yeah, I just think so. What do we do? Oh! That's hilarious.
And the best part is